to fall, being one and loving all. There's no high, no low, there is nowhere else to go except inside the little star.